Hi, Steven Saplinski here with Electric RV EV Camping in America, where we take an all-electric vehicle, a Tesla Model X, and an all-electric trailer, which you'll see in a second, across this great country of ours, visiting everything from national campgrounds to monuments. But we do it all electric, figuring out where to charge and how to charge, how far you can go and how far you can't go. We'll be showing you tips and tricks on how to do this successfully, and we will have some fun, including talking in a carpool karaoke way in the front, as well as doing videos, flyers with drones, and interviews with people, not just in charging lots, but as we camp. Because every time someone sees this, they say the same thing. What is that? Well, we're about to tell you in a weekly episode of Electric RV EV Camping America.
Hey, it's Gary Steinberg, and here we are. We're going across America with our electric Tesla Model X 20, whatever the hell it is, and our 2021 Terra Firma Bowlus. And you are going to learn all kinds of tips and tricks. Go. What?
Every Electric RV EV Camping America episode will showcase different segments and topics. Learn from our mistakes and gain valuable experience preparing for and enjoying long-distance travel using only electric power. In addition to providing tips and advice on various gear, we will also interview people from across the country to discuss their travel adventures and interests. The future is here. It's all electric. Stay tuned.